Hi everyone, my name is Kendra from Kendra and the Bunnies Music. That makes you a bunny and that makes me Kendra. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. We are now up to 1,500 plus subscribers. So thank you so much for joining the bunny family. We're happy to have you and we're happy to have you stay.
Here we go again. Try my luck at this hand.
Today we are unboxing a product and setting up my coffee bar with K-cups. The product comes from A3Direct. It's available on Amazon. It's also available directly on their website, which I linked below. What's cool about them is they offer different sizes for different styles of coffee makers. They also offer different types of supplies, not just for K-cups and not just for coffee. They also offer different types of supplies that come in acrylic as well as foam and other cool materials. I'm so excited to check these out. I actually got two. So this is how it looks. Look how it's so reflective. Hello? So now we've got this all ready to use immediately. It was kind of junky before, but now this drawer is just so inviting. Look how perfect that is. These fit so well. Another way that you can use this is for cosmetics. This is waterproof. It's also steam proof, so you can use it in the bathroom. Look how many cosmetics I have. So we need something to organize it.
The feet to my plaster. Yeah, she's my night go, my New York knockout ace and the big rockin' lively. My night go, my New York knockout ace. Won't need to shout, you know who I'm talking about. Trapezing through the season, instrumentation man, wheezing.
And now, before that stuff was just everywhere, and now it's contained. I don't have to worry about knocking stuff off the counter anymore. I don't have to worry about bumping into these products and them all falling over. Look! That is amazing. I linked below where you can pick up one of these K-cup trays that also works in so many different plastics.